In this video, we're going to simplify these two indices. So visualize this thing here as this, because you've got a block of 22, x to the power of 8, x to the power of 8, times a block of 6, and so on. So you can see the two sixes, they cancel each other out. And then for this one here, this fraction here, you can simplify it by dividing top and bottom by 2. So 22 divided by 2 would be a block of 11. This block here would be divided by 2 would be a block of 5. And when it comes to this one, x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 18, that's the same as getting this, take away this, which is minus 10. Now, we don't understand what it means to have a power of a negative. We would immediately jump to 1 over x to the power of the positive version. The point is that this thing here simplifies to this. So, so just remember, this becomes this. So, for this one here, it would become a block of 1 over a block of x to the power of positive 10. And then the two sixes, they cancel each other out. Remember, it's for this one here, hang on. For this one here, it's y to the power of 16 over y to the power of 18, which will mean you would get this take away this, which will be negative 2. Now, we don't understand what it means to have a power of a negative 2, so we would immediately jump to 1 over y to the power of the positive version. So this fraction here becomes this. So you can imagine it as being dividing top and bottom by y to the power of 16 if you want to. Well, anyway, this thing here becomes this. So that would be a block of 1, and then times a block of y squared. So now, hang on. So now this whole ugly thing becomes this. So this would mean top times top times top, which would be 11, over bottom times bottom times bottom, 5x to the power of 10 times y to the power of 12. So this is your final answer for the first one. Okay, so for the second one, visualize this whole thing here as this, because all these blocks are being multiplied together. So you can see that the two 5s cancel each other out. And for this one here, it would be 14 take away 6. So that would be a block of x. 14 take away 6, that would be 8. So that then becomes a block of 8. This thing here, you can divide, hang on, so you've got times, and then this thing here would be divide top and bottom by 5, so that would be a block of 2. Divided by 5, that would be a block of 7. And then for this one here, it would be times, so remember this block here is y squared, y to the power of 15. But what is this? Well, let's just look at this. Y squared, you would get this, take away this. That would be minus 13. But we don't understand what it means to have a power of a negative number. So we would immediately jump to 1 over y to the power of the positive version. The point is that this block here becomes 1 over y to the power of 13. So now it's just a matter of tidying this up. You've got two fractions here, top times top, bottom times bottom, and this one gets multiplied to the top because you're multiplying a fraction. So this will then become, this times this will be 2 times x to the power of 8, so that will be 2x to the power of 8. And then bottom times bottom, that would be 7y to the power of 13. So this is your final answer for this, okay?